Model 2018 Ford Transit Custom 290L1 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 105ps low-roof van body, white, panel van mileage, 102,095 MOT, 2 April 2024 engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs with a knock. Timing belt has snapped. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £9,425. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call